We're cycling the length of the Rhine from the North Sea all the way down to the Alps. And we're going to be pedaling through the Netherlands, Germany, France, Austria, Liechtenstein and Switzerland. They have a saying here in Switzerland, what goes up keeps on going up. So we just pulled over the road in Switzerland and we found this little portable, free-to-use service station. It's got all the tools and more importantly, it's got a really good pump with a valve on it. So we just made sure our wheels are pumped up as they should be. It's quite hard to do with my little pump. And we're about now 10 k's away from Chur, the oldest town in Switzerland and the first town on the Rhine. This is the little town of Tamins and it's just before we get to Rhine, where the River Rhine takes its name for the first time. We made it! This is the start of the Rhine. This is the confluence of the Vorderrhein and the Hinterrhein in a little town called Rhine. Basically, from here until all the way until the Netherlands, the river is simply known as the Rhine. So it's quite a big moment for us. We came from the North Sea and we've cycled all the way to basically where the start of the Rhine is. Now it's not the source will obviously be up in the mountains, but we're not going to bother going there. We're quite happy to come to where it starts being called the Rhine. It's crazy to think about all the different things we've seen from the North Sea all the way to here. From huge cities, really picturesque little towns like this one. Different people, different languages, different money, different food, different trains. There's a Swiss one. Very different landscapes. Yeah, Glacier Express. Nice. Oh cool, it's got a see-through rooftop thingy. Picture windows, nice. Oh, that'd be nice to go on. Prefer riding by bicycle though than train. I think we get to see even more, just a bit slower. MX-5. Oh, here's some Italian dude. He's just reaching the start of the Rhine as well. Oh, Aston Martin. Some lovely cars in Switzerland. Alright, let's go. This is the town of Chur, or maybe pronounced Chur, we're not too sure. The oldest town in Switzerland, and they're preparing for their annual festival. And this is going to be a right old lash up, you could probably call it. And that bar over there is called the Après Smash Bar. Brilliant. Shotley bar.